Hello, in this video we will see how to use slice function. So let's take an example. Here I have a data of order ID. This is the number that I received, but the actual ID is only the last 4 digits. So I will have to slice it. I only want the last 4 digits. So for that I will use the slice function. We'll go here, click on slice. Now here we have an example of how to use this. So the first part will be input, second part will be from where we have to start slicing, and third part is where we have to end. So here in the first part we will take order ID. Now in the second part this will start from 1, as I want this part. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So for start I will use 6, and I'll not take any end here because I want this to go till the end of the number. I will simply remove one semicolon. And now let's run and save this. As we can see, the message received has only last 4 digits.